guys, welcome back ulit sa kusina ko. Ngayon, maghihiwa tayo ng patatas. Yep, dito tayo magluluto. Maghihiwa lang ng patatas. Let's go. Ito yung mga gagamitin ko para sa paghihiwa. Kutsilyong, knife sharpener, pampatalas natin, peeler, syempre, patatas. Tara na, lagi muna tayo hairnet. Ang kailangan yan kasing haba-haba ng buhok. Nakaraan kasi wala, panyo lang gamit ko. Goods. Nung nagtatrabaho sa bakery.
The first step to do is to rinse your potatoes. We are doing this to remove dirt and debris from the surface and also to remove the chemicals on the skin of the potato. Pesticide is absorbed not just into a potato skin but also in its flesh. Scrubbing or peeling can make a difference, but it won't remove all the pesticides. The second step is peeling the potatoes. It is important to do this because potato skins tend to have scabs on its surface, and scabs are a sign of disease in a potato that comes from bacterial activity. If you eat these scabs, even cooked, you could get sick. Here we are in our third step, which is preparing your chopping board. By putting a damp tissue paper under your chopping board, it helps secure the grip of the board and to avoid slippage when you are cutting. So for our first cut, I call this one the steak cut fries. They are French fries but way larger and thicker than normal. This is because of what food goes along with it, and that is steak. To do this, we need to trim off the sides and then proceed to cut it lengthwise into 3 equal parts. From there, stack them all together and cut 3 thick pieces of fries. Trim the removed sides and you are done. Here is your nice and thick steak cut fries. Now we proceed to the regular cut fries or batons. It's basically the same procedure from the first cut. Start by trimming off the top and the bottom and the sides. Start cutting lengthwise and stack them. Trim off the top and sides once again to make a perfect square look and start cutting to make your batons. And you're done. Here is your regular cut fries. This next cut is probably the easiest. You just have to cut your potato in half crosswise and cut it once again from the top. And there you have it. Nice quarter cut potatoes for soups or mash. For this next cut, it seems quite easy but it is actually a little bit complex. We are going to slice our potato as thinly as possible to achieve that perfect crisp or chips. Use your knuckle as guide to your knife to slice your potato as thinly as it could get. And you're basically done. Here is your thinly sliced potato chips. For our last cut, we have the wedges. They are crescent shaped in form and they can be either baked or fried, and they are the perfect snack, peeled or unpeeled. From what I did, I sliced the potato in half lengthwise and cutting once again in the center to make 2 large pieces of wedges. Do that again with the other potato and from there, begin cutting more pieces of wedges. And then you're basically done. Here is your crescent-shaped wedges, perfect for snacking. Here it is again, our nice and thick steak cut fries. Our regular cut fries or batons. Our large quarters. Here is our thinly sliced potato chips. And last but not the least, our wedges.
So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Sana may natutunan kayo dun sa ginawa kong demonstration na 5 klase ng paghihiwa ng patatas. Sana nakatulong yun sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli. Babush!